Hey everyone, Chad Bussanich here, Engineering Manager at SuperSprings International. One of the great features of our SuperSprings is their adjustability. You might be wondering, what shackle hole should I use when installing them? Well, let me show you how to choose the right option based on your needs. SuperSprings are designed with shackles that come with 1, 2, or even 3 bolt holes, allowing you to adjust the preload tension. The higher the hole, the more preload tension you get, meaning that the spring starts higher on the load curve. This is especially useful for vehicles with uneven loads like crane trucks. For example, if you've got a crane truck, you might want to use the upper bolt hole on the side with the crane while using the lower bolt hole on the opposite side. This helps balance out the load and gives you better performance under uneven conditions. The shackle position also affects the ride quality. If you prefer a stiffer ride for towing or heavy loads, you might choose the upper hole for more preload. If you want a smoother, softer ride, using the lower holes will give you that flexibility. So when installing SuperSprings, remember that you've got options. The shackle hole you choose depends on your load, application, and ride preference. Thanks for tuning in to the Engineering Corner, and as always, journey better.